Make sure you familiarise yourself with where your boiler is and the controls. For example, if you're going away and leaving the property empty for an extended period of time, especially in the winter, you need to make sure that you're putting the boiler on a timer so it comes on for an hour or so every day. That is to prevent pipes getting frozen, which can lead to leaks and the boiler, the radiators, or the pipes being damaged. A lot of the time when the boiler fails, it's because the boiler's pressure needs topping up. It will have gone below 1, and you just need to top up using the taps underneath the boiler. If you have a user guide for the boiler, then read that and it'll show you how to do it easily. It's something that every tenant should be able to do.